Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Well, the agenda here is to deal with the SolidWorks drafting, where we just covered the standard views and how do we need to use the view palette and dimensions, auto dimensions, model items, and the smart dimensions. We'll see how do we deal with the section views, detail views, and the different types of layers. How do we customize our drawing templates as well as the sheet formats. These things we're going to see in this particular session. Okay, let's get started with this. So this is the model 𝐾Hub. We'll do drafting for this model. So to do that, you can just go to File, and from here you can use the nav, and you can use the template, or else you can directly use the drop down, use this make drawing from part or assembly. Now the drafting page will pop up. You need to select the standard sheet format, or if you would like to do the custom, you can even do that by using the custom sheet. Yeah, let's go out with the E3 format at the moment. The width and height of this is here. And now once you open your drafting workbench, you have the view palette accessed. From here, this is the part. If you would like to load another part or something else, you can just go to browse and just do it. Sometimes you might not get the views here, you just need to refresh it. You'll get it again. So by default, you'll be having the auto start project view activated. So if you drag a view, automatically the projected views will be popped up. Let's say this is the front view. You could see the side. Likewise, you can have all the kinds of views. Isometric view. Yeah. So this is one way of doing it. You can delete the extra views. I'd like to keep it here. Drag it down. So the standard way is you can just go to the drawings. We have the standard views. So this will create the 3 default standard views as per the angle of projection. You could see we have it here. Let's delete this. So you can refer any of these. Now this is how we can just add the views. Well, how do we define the dimensions? Let's say you have already defined the dimensions. You can go to the annotations and use the model items to bring all the dimensions, or else you can use the smart dimension and you can just define it likewise. Yeah. This is the angle which I don't want. So let's say if you would like to define the dimensions, you can use the smart dimension from here to here. You can space it as per your need. Yeah. Or else, let's say if you would like to bring up all the predefined dimensions, we can just go ahead with the model items for entire model, and means whatever it is here, for all it should define the dimensions. I would like to have not marked for the drawings the dimensions, and the mark for the drawings, and this is the whole callouts. I would like to have everything here. You could see all the dimensions are extracted. Now you can just delete whichever the dimensions you don't want. Now before doing the arrangement of these dimensions, I'd like to take you through the document properties where you can just set up your own settings. Let's say for the dimensions, with respect to angle, I would like to use this format, and for all arc length and for the chamfer, the bent format for the diameter also would like to use the same. Yeah, so for the radius, this one. So if you change these things here, automatically everything will be updated. I hope you could see. And now I'll just select everything, and this is the icon. From here you can use this auto arrange dimensions. The software will try to arrange all the dimensions automatically. Yeah. So now you can delete the dimensions which you are not interested. So let me just delete quickly. Yeah. You can even rearrange the dimensions. Yep. Now I would like to take you through the layer creations. So for that you can simply right click here. You can go to the toolbars. From here you can activate the line formats, as well as you do have the option to create the formats. So this is the document layer. If you would like to create new, you can just select that option. Here you can right click, or you can just use the new. I can just name it as dimension. So for the dimension, the style it is asking, so I'd like to keep it as it is. The color I'd like to define blue. Yeah, just click OK. Now you could see there is a dimension tab. And for one more, the GD&T. So for this, I'd like to have red. Yeah. So let us just take these into account. Let's try to define them. So this one, and yeah. So these two I'd like to add into different layer. So you can use the change layer by right clicking on it, and you can use the GD&T. You can see the color has been assigned. The same thing for all the dimensions. I'd like to do the same. Right click, change layer, dimensions. Sorry, these two again. I'd like to change it to GD&T. Yeah. So now here you could see this is the template where you have the weight. Material is not specified. If you specify, you will get the material details. So this I would like to turn it into colored one. You can use it from here, or else you can use other symbols. Yep. So let's try to create one more layer. So in this, I would like to have again the front view. So here I would like to cut the section. So let's do that. So you can just go to the drawings. There is a section view. There are different options. You can go with the half section also. Let me just try this. This is the center, and likewise I would like to have it. Yeah. So now if you would like to rotate this, you can try right click, and there is an option to rotate this model. Isometric section view. Can have it like this. So there is again an option to 3D view. Can even rotate this likewise. So this is one more option which you can use it. We call it as 3D drawing view. Just you can click on green check. Yeah. So let's say if you would like to have the detailed view somewhere here, you can activate this detailed view at this region. Just drag it up here. Yep. So if you want to try other things, you can even do that. The projected view, the broken view. So these all options are available. The remote section. it's not important, leave it. Yeah. Yep, so you can try these all the options here. So if you would like to define the dimensions manually, that also you can do it. So that I had already shown. So if you would like to change your sheet format, you can just go ahead with here, just double click on it. This is the sheet. You can use the edit sheet format, or else you can simply right click on it and use this one, the edit sheet format, and you can just delete or modify accordingly, and you can just save this one as your by default template by using the save as option. From here you have the option to save it as drawing template. So yeah, so once you modify this one as per your need, let's say I don't want these all the things on the top, I do want these, the name, signature, date and all. So you can specify, you can just delete this, and let me just show you how to do that. Just delete these. So the complete row is getting deleted there. Let's try. Yeah. So now I do want to create a line. So from here to here, and one more from here to here. Now I'd like to just change the size of it to 0.5, and for this also 0.5. Can even change the color of it to blue. This one, nope, it should be dark blue. Similarly for this. Yeah, so if you would like to activate this, you can just simply right click here, can uncheck this, it's gone. So if you would like to bring it back, you can use the line format, and the layer properties will be added. Yeah, so this is how you can just customize it. Once you customize this, you can just save it as template, save as. So it will be, if you select the drawing template, it will be saved as a GitHub. You can just try saving it. Yeah. So now what you can do is you just go to new drawing templates, use advanced option. There is an option that is GitHub, which I have created. You can just simply click on OK. You have the template ready, and you can start working on it. Finally, to summarize, we had gone through the standard views and how to utilize the view palette. We had seen how to utilize the auto dimensions and the smart dimensions as well. So we had also gone through section views, detail views, and the standard sheet formats. Well, that's all from this session. Thank you. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.